We're going to be reading for the sign of Cancer. So, what you guys can possibly expect moving forward. So, one card we have for you right now is Four of Pentacles. So, you guys could be holding back right now. For some of you, you guys feel like your person is not really taking you seriously, or you are in a very unhappy state. You don't feel fulfilled by this connection or the soulmate connection. Okay, with Seven of Cups, there's major confusion that's going on in your life right now. What else is coming up for Cancer? This may or may not resonate. Please remember that this is a general reading, so it won't resonate with each and every one of you. Just because it does not resonate does not mean that it is, not a Cancer reading. Okay, so yeah, let's start. With the Magician, some of you might be trying to manifest new things in your life. Some of you might be even trying to move forward in a new direction with the Fool card. With the with Justice, some of you might be connected with with the Libra. That doesn't have to be, but you are trying to find balance in your life. I feel for many of you, you are trying to hold back. You are not really very giving, or wanting to be a willingly part of the connection that you were, because of the lack of balance. You felt like this person was literally breadcrumbing you. You were not feeling fulfilled by this connection in any which way. Okay, with Empress card, you felt like it's time to focus on yourself and your growth now. Okay, Empress could also mean that some of you are genuinely in connection with the Libra, like the Empress, the King of Swords, and the Justice. Okay, so some of you are in connection with the Libra. So let's see what's coming towards my dear Cancer people. What's really coming forward towards Cancer now? One card for really coming forward towards Cancer, if you even know, Spirit. With Two of Pentacles right now, you are juggling whether you should be a part of something or whether you should walk away or break free. Okay, you are trying to do the juggling game now. Some of you might also be trying to balance your life. Your life is majorly out of track, and you're finding your way back. You're finding your balance back in life. Okay, top card we have here is Mother of Wands. That's Queen of Wands. So some of you are wanting to stay focused on yourself, to basically wanting to spend time doing things that are going to help you in the long run. Okay, so I'll give you one card for what's coming towards Cancer in the month of July, the remaining half of July. What's really coming forward towards Cancer in the remaining half of July now, if you may know. Some of you might have two options. Okay, but majorly I feel like you guys are ending a third party situation. Some of you are wanting to walk away or break free from a third party situation. Ten of Swords. Okay, for some of you, you felt like your past was very painful and you're trying to find your way out of it. You're trying to move forward in a new direction. I feel for many of you that you are in a some which way wanting to move in a new direction. Yes, you're still juggling. Yes, you're still second guessing, but I see that you are wanting to move forward. Okay, so one card for what's really happening in your life right now. What's really happening in Cancer's life right now. One card for what's really happening in Cancer's life right now. Give me an answer. With Eight of Wands, I believe that some of you are getting communication. Okay, if it's not communication, then some of you might be even moving out from a place. You are moving like at a new place or at a different place. Some of you could also be traveling. If it's not that, then you guys are wanting to move on from whoever you were stuck to, towards something new in your life. Okay, it's either moving on, it's moving to another place, or it's just that you are communicating a lot. Like people are communicating and you are like chatting and stuff's happening, and you are moving in a sort of forward direction altogether. Okay, with the Judgment card, some of you have made a decision of moving on. Okay, I'll be very honest, very straightforward, that some of you might have made the decision of moving on. This could also go vice versa. This might be the cross watcher doing this. Okay, so take accordingly, do not get affected. Okay, so one card for your soulmate connection, one card for Cancer's soulmate connection. What's really happening in Cancer's soulmate connection? One card for Cancer's soulmate connection. What's really happening in Cancer's soulmate connection? With Ten of Pentacles, I believe that right now you wanted commitment from this person and you never got that commitment. Okay, and with Eight of Swords, you are not completely being able to move on. Yes, you wanted to marry this person. Yes, you wanted to have a family with this person. Yes, you wanted to grow with this person. But due to some reason, I feel things did not happen. Right now, you have Eight of Swords being your overall energy, which tells me that in some which way, finance could be one of the main issues that kind of got you stuck. You are not so financially well off, but you did want to marry this person, or they are not financially well off, but they wanted to marry you. But finance could be one of the main reasons or one of the main blockages in this connection. Okay, with Eight of Swords, you do feel on some which level stuck, that you were trying to possibly get solutions, but you were not able to. You find yourself in a very helpless situation rather. Okay, so I do feel no matter what you're going through, some of you guys will try to break free from something toxic. If it's not toxic, you might still want to give in more time, but if it's toxic, you're definitely walking away. If you do not feel this way right now, in the next few days you might think different. Okay, but that does not mean like my readings do not resonate. I know, like, many of you sometimes want to comment some unnecessary things which kind of get me mad, but still. One card for how is your person thinking about you now. How is the Cancer soulmate possibly thinking about Cancer? How is the Cancer soulmate possibly thinking about Cancer now? With Ten of Wands, this person is burdened. Okay, in the past, this person could have tried to make a move towards you, but right now they are very burdened. Okay, they feel like they have way too much work or way too many responsibilities to possibly even make time or move forward in your direction. This connection was equally heavy for the both of you. Okay, you might not want to possibly agree to it, but this person still thinks of you in a good way, yes, but this connection has drained them a lot. Okay, this connection was equally heavy for them. Okay, right now this person could have a lot of responsibilities, they are not being able to make time for you, but do not get me wrong, this person still has feelings for you, this person still cares for you. If you feel this person does not care, it's not true, they do. Okay, so yes, one card for your energy. What's the overall energy between Cancer and your soulmate? One card for what's the overall energy going to be like with Cancer and your soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like between Cancer and your soulmate moving forward? What's the overall energy going to be like with Cancer and your soulmate moving forward? With Seven of Wands, in some which way, I still see your person not wanting to quit on you. Okay, even if you have your walls up, guards up, I still feel on some which level that your person is not wanting to quit on you. The flame is still, I still see fire in them. I still see they wanting to fight for this. I still see a certain degree of willingness to be a part of this, even if it's difficult. This person is not wanting to give up on you. I'll be very honest here. Okay, with the Magician, this person still wants to possibly move forward. Okay, this person, no matter what they are going through, no matter where they are, no matter how they are, this person is not wanting to give up on you, darling. I still see the flame burning. Okay, that speaks a lot. One card for the energy towards you now. One card for Cancer soulmate's energy towards Cancer. Cancer soulmate's energy towards Cancer moving forward. Card for Cancer soulmate's energy towards Cancer. What's Cancer soulmate's energy going to be like towards Cancer moving forward? We have the Magician for them. In the past, we have the Tower card. So in the past, there was some issue going on with you and them. You guys could have also fought on a certain topic. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles, this person could have tried to possibly stay away from you emotionally. They tried to find some emotional they were trying to make some distance, to maintain an emotional distance, like between the two of you. They were trying to get single from you, okay, in the past. But right now, with the Magician, I still see this person wanting to manifest. Okay, this person is still wanting to manifest this connection, still wanting to work on this connection, still wanting to stay open to this connection. One card for their current feelings towards you. One card for Cancer soulmate's current feelings towards Cancer. Cancer soulmate's current feelings towards Cancer. Some of you might be connecting with the fellow Aries. Cancer soulmate feelings towards Cancer moving forward, Spirit. right now with the star card on some which level, do not do not get me wrong, this person has kept you up the, like they view you as someone who is out of their reach, out of their league. On some which level you might be a very famous person, or this could go cross, vice versa, but I do feel on some which level that they are not wanting to give up on you, but they do feel like you are kind of out of their league. Okay, like they do keep you up there, like they view you as someone who is better than them. Okay, but they are not wanting to give up on you. They still want to keep that hope alive, that hope, that you can still be together on some which day. Okay, with Ace of Cups, this person still loves you, no matter what's happening, what's going on. I still feel that this person has a lot of feeling for you, and they to a degree feel like you're a lot better than them, you're out of their league. Okay, the star card, you could also be connected with the Aquarius sign. Okay, so one card for what do they truly have for you. What do they truly have for you, Cancer soulmate? What do they truly have for you? This is your best reading so far, man. What do they truly have for you, Cancer soulmate? In terms of feelings, passion, what do they truly have for you? With Son of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, this person could not give you more than what you were giving them. Okay, on some which level, yes, they were like wanting to be a part of you, but they could not give you more than you wanted. Okay, with Ten of Swords, this was the main reason, because they were not being able to be at your level. Okay, with Son of Pentacles, I also feel like this person had a certain degree of attraction towards you at the start. Okay, which slowly moved towards having feelings for you. This person found you very good looking in the past. You are good looking still, I believe. But this person does want to still be a part of this, still want to stay invested in this. Okay, I still see this person being attracted to you, no kidding. Okay, so one card for the intentions towards you now, one card for their overall intentions towards Cancer, one card for their overall intentions towards Cancer moving forward. Overall intentions towards Cancer. We have the Devil card. Okay, so in the past, this person could have felt like they are obsessed about you. There is a certain degree of obsession. This person might have tried to find their way out, because they felt like they were too attached, too addicted to you. Okay, they have this addiction. This could also be sexual. For some of you, you're connecting with the Capricorn. They wanted to kind of friend zone you, because they could not possibly face it that they are so obsessed or madly in love with you. There's a strong sexual attraction here. Okay, top card we have here is Mother of Pentacles. Do not get me wrong, this person does want to continue nurturing the situation, but they sometimes do not want to believe that they are so madly obsessed about you. Sometimes when you're obsessed and addicted to someone, you do feel like you're losing your battle. You don't want to be so addicted and obsessed about someone. You want to be in control, and when you're out of control, you kind of freak out a little, and that's what a person is going through. They are freaking out. No matter who's coming, no matter how good they look, no matter what they have, they cannot walk away from you, and that's what's bothering them. No matter how much of a good deal they get, that does not change. They still have this feeling for you, and they still continuously want you, and this is freaking them out, to be honest. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now. What action are they wanting to take towards you now in terms of action spirit? One card for what action of course want to take towards Cancer. Some of them might want to get physical with you. I see some sexual tension going on here. What action cost want to take towards Cancer moving forward? With the Fool card, this person, I do feel, will make a forward movement. They will take action towards you. This person will take a leap of faith towards you. If not now, I do see it coming in the next few weeks. Okay, sometimes people do take time, but I very strongly feel that this person will want to reconnect with you, will want to possibly reinvest or start investing in you, and want to possibly get back with you as a couple, as soulmates who stay together, who have a future together. Ace of Cups is a revival of a possible romantic connection. Okay, so that's what I feel strongly. Okay, with Daughter of Cups, I do feel this person is going to be a lot more expressive in the coming weeks. Okay, so one card for where this possibly going forward, where is this connection possibly going forward. One card for where this connection possibly going forward for Cancer. Where is this connection possibly going forward for Cancer and their soulmate. For the next few weeks, what can Cancer possibly expect? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Cancer and their soulmate? With Wheel of Fortune, things are going to move forward. Okay, I do not see stagnancy. I see things moving forward. I see the wheel turning in a better way, in a positive way. So you guys, in some which like level, will take a forward step towards this relationship. So I do see forward movement happening. Okay, so one card for what do they possibly want from you now? One card for what does the Cancer soulmate possibly want from you? What does the Cancer soulmate possibly want from Cancer now? One card. What does the Cancer soulmate possibly want from Cancer? What does the Cancer soulmate possibly want from Cancer? One card for that. Do not get me wrong, this person wants you to fight for their attention. Okay, so this person might have a lot of ego issues. Okay, ego could always have been a problem. No matter if they found you better than them, they still had these ego issues, and this person wants you to possibly wait for a while, but they also want you to give them attention, to fight for their attention. Okay, Five of Wands is a little bit drama involved. Okay, so this person might be a drama king or queen, but this person does love you, man. I mean, you have to give them that at least. Okay, so one card for their secret message towards you, their secret message towards Cancer. One card for the secret message towards Cancer moving forward. I drink to numb the pain. So this person might actually be drinking or doing something that kinds of makes them, numb their pain that they feel like because you're away from them. It hurts to be away from you. Okay, I sit here missing you every day. I sit here missing you every day. Okay, so that's their overall message. Okay, so they are missing you. Okay, I want to apologize for my actions. If they have done you wrong, then I do sense a certain degree of apology coming your way. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Cancer for the next few weeks. So if it resonates, please do consider hitting the like button, guys. It greatly helps my channel. If you want a personal reading, go to my website and you could book one whichever you like. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of spiritual and healing posts which is going to help you move forward, help you heal from toxic relationships. Do come and check me out. Thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.